Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog on my channel. It's actually very quiet here, but by looking at the landscape, can you guess where I am? I'm going to switching over to vlogging on the GoPro now because my only battery, which wasn't fully charged from my Fuji, has just died on me mid-recording. Shopping centre over there. Yeah, I'm trying to find my hotel in the city centre of Rovaniemi right now. You might see a lot more clips on the GoPro this week, just out of convenience, by the way. As I've said in other vlogs, I don't usually vlog on the GoPro. However, every time I make a vlog, I find it's easier and easier to use the GoPro, and then you can also get third-person shots of me actually taking photos and stuff. So that might be something which will be a regular occurrence this week. Yeah, just trying to find my first hotel. It's Arctic Light Hotel. It should be down here somewhere. I didn't sleep last night. I was in the airport, Gatwick Airport, all night because I had to get there the day before to be able to catch a 6 AM flight to Rovaniemi. So it's probably just going to be a chill day of finding food and then getting an early night probably. I do have a meal booked at the hotel restaurant though, which I need to take photos of for them. It's client work. So I will be doing that tonight. So I've checked into Arctic Light Hotel and they said 30 minutes till the room is ready. So I've come down here next to the river, and that is the iconic bridge of Rovaniemi. Rovaniemi doesn't have any specific landmarks other than the Santa's village, and that's kind of outside Rovaniemi. So inside the actual city, this bridge here is kind of what like the Eiffel Tower is to Paris. If you search up Rovaniemi on Google Images, this is the bridge you'll see every time. Yeah, so I'm just taking photos of it, killing time until I can actually go into the hotel. Get some really good shots though. Also, it's -7 or possibly -8 degrees right now, but it doesn't feel it. I haven't even got my proper warm clothes on. I'm wearing my, not like snowproof fingerless gloves, my coat, but under that I've just got a thin fleece and t-shirt on, and then my jeans and snow boots, and I'm absolutely fine. There's somebody snowmobiling over there on the river, and the ice over there's quite thin, so they probably know what they're doing, but it looks a bit dangerous. guys, it's been a bit of a while since I last spoke to you. I got back to the hotel, I shot everything for the hotel as you would have seen. Yeah, incredible room, and then went to their also incredible restaurant and had a really delicious finished meal. Now I'm in the sauna, well I'm going to go in the sauna for the evening, this is it. This room itself is boiling, I'm not even in the sauna yet, so when I come out of the sauna I'm not going to get anything cold to cool me down. My first time in a proper finished sauna though. Look at this cool tree picture behind me. Anyway, I've just been speaking to a woman at reception. Apparently tonight's very good for the Aurora, as I already knew, but she's confirmed it and she's given me a map of where to head to. So I'm going to go out at like 2 AM on a trek and try and get some Aurora photos probably. Haven't got much on tomorrow morning, so I can have a bit of a lie-in. And then I've got snowmobiling tomorrow afternoon. So yeah, potentially an Aurora track in a bit, but first we have, oh I can see. You can see if I'm in focus or not in the mirror, nice. First I have the sauna. Let's go. Good morning everyone, I guess. It is, what time? It's probably almost 1 AM right now. On the Monday morning after I arrived on Sunday morning. Well, you can tell the drinkers still haven't gone home yet. Have they not killed themselves, drunk people? I have gone out on a trek to search for Northern Lights. It's supposed to be one of the clearest nights to do so tonight. It's not entirely clear at the moment, so I'm not sure if I believe that. Nah, it's supposed to come out clearer in the next hour or so, which is why I've headed out. I am wearing absolutely everything right now. Last time I checked it was -12, it's definitely colder than that now, it's probably more like -14 now. You can get down to -18 during the night. So I put absolutely everything on. I got thermal joggers and t-shirt on. I got a normal t-shirt, I got a woolly jumper, and then I got a winter thick coat. And then I've got jogging bottoms over my thermal bottoms, and then snow trousers on top of those. Got one pair of socks on and snow boots, but they're thick socks. And I've got my balaclava, my hat on as well. I've also got these camera gloves which take off 2 fingers like that so you can use a camera. And honestly, these things already feel like they're about to drop off. I was saying in the day, -7 didn't feel bad at all. Well, -14 does, just on those 2 fingers. Yeah, I'm back at the bridge area. I'm going to walk along here. Oh, actually, this looks really clear now. In the 5 minutes since I've left the hotel, this has come out really clear. I can see all the stars over here. Right, I'm heading down to the Arctica Museum area. And there's a darker spot there apparently, which is where I want to try and shoot from. Where there's minimal light pollution. And see, I downloaded this app which tells you when the Aurora come out. It says there's going to be a 50% chance to see them over the next 2.5 hours, so that's why I'm out. Right, let's get down to Aurora hunting. So you probably won't be able to see anything, but I'm at the Arctica Museum. Behind me right now, the big glass building. The sky is totally clear, which you won't be able to see. But there's no Aurora to the human eye. But when I'm shooting on my camera on long exposure, there's like a little bit of green in the sky. It's like fake Aurora that we can't see, but the camera is picking up when you leave the shutter open for that long. So I might persevere with this because there's signs Aurora's coming out and just hope we get a proper display. No lie, an Arctic hare literally just sprinted across here. Don't know where he's gone. He's just chilling on that bridge. That's mad. Why is he in the city? Yeah, he saw me coming and he jumped out. Bro, he's right there in the road, in front of my hotel. He's gone now. Won't be able to see him. Went over that down the snow there.